Hi, everyone. My name is Alan. I am the CEO of Miraculex, and we are creating the future of sweet. Because just like Homer, I'm addicted to sweet foods. And unfortunately, we all share that same gene to crave this sweetness. But as well, we're sort of learning what this gene is sort of resulting in. Heart disease, diabetes, metabolic syndrome. All these things are occurring because we crave this sugar, and it's everywhere. Governments around the world are realizing this, and that's why they're putting in new regulations that were never seen before on sugar. New labels, new taxes, new warnings on everything. The sugar industry and the sweetener industry is worth over $87 billion, and it's growing 5% every single year. It is full of sweetening products that hurt your health or don't give you the taste that you want. So what we are doing at Miraculex is we are creating the first generation of great tasting sweeteners that are actually healthy for you. These are protein sweeteners. They come from rare exotic plants, and we have a technology to mass produce these proteins that they produce. We are starting with Miraculin, named for its amazing ability to convert sour into sweet. It has 0 calories, and it provides 30 minutes of amazing taste. This is truly a miracle. So don't only take my word for it. Take the word of these people who even say it tastes better than sugar.
Wow.
Easy to it. Really easy to eat it.
Wow. Jesus Christ.
Wow.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's like candy.
That was really cool.
Wow is the word. Protein sweeteners can make that wow. So what protein sweeteners are large proteins that are much bigger than traditional small molecule sweeteners. And what they do is they could bind to your sweet taste buds like no other sweetener can. In fact, there is a lot of scientific evidence showing that many of these protein sweeteners actually evolved alongside humanity. So in essence, they taste amazing, 0 calories. And what do? They fall apart into amino acids after you eat them. And not only that, a tiny amount of these protein sweeteners are equivalent to over 20,000 grams of sugar. So people have asked me, why hasn't this been done before? Why isn't this stuff everywhere if it's so amazing? Unfortunately, it's really hard to produce. In fact, there are very few places in the world where you could actually grow it. It requires a specific climate, temperature, soil, and different care. So even with biotech, unfortunately, people couldn't really get the folding correct. The glycosylation wasn't correct. And even the cost of purification was still too much. So that's where we come in. We have a technology to hydroponically produce these amazing plants and the proteins which they come from. Today, we have managed to purify and concentrate these amazing proteins, and over here, we are producing it today. We have a priority system that we utilize hydroponics to grow these protein sweeteners like never before. We are producing it in highly concentrated forms, and we are looking to scale using biotechnology and recombinant plant systems that also use hydroponics to grow. The reason why hydroponics, it's a very well-known technology that's able to scale very quickly and inexpensively. And in essence, we could grow a huge amount of it in a very, very small footprint incredibly quickly. Right now, we have a projected cost of 32 cents per serving, And using our technology to scale, we aim to have about less than 2 cents a serving in a couple of years from now. We are talking with incredibly large food producers who are very interested in bringing better tasting sweeteners to the market. Our production timeline is to bring Miraculin to the market by this year and bring in other protein sweeteners that could be replacements for sugar within the next 2 years. Our projected milestones are to expand our hydroponic systems, bring in new sweeteners, and to bring these proteins to everyone. We currently have 2 patents pending that would protect us as we move forward to bring our products to market. Our team is made up of plant biologists, protein engineers, organic chemists, and food scientists who know how to bring these amazing products to the world. We are looking to raise $2 million for strategic partnering, expanding our portfolio, and for key hires. The reason why we're doing this is we could finally allow everyone to have their cake and eat it too. If you would like to taste these amazing protein sweeteners, come visit our booth at the end. Thank you.